For my final project, I picked the Malayan sun bear. The Malayan sun bear, commonly called the sun bear, is the smallest in the bear family. They stand about 4 to 5 feet and weigh between 160 to 150 pounds. They are about half the size of an American black bear, with female black bears being around the same size as a full-grown male Malayan sun bear. They have a distinct gold or white bib-shaped section of fur on their chest, and they have very sleek black, short coats to protect them from overheating while still being thick enough and coarse to protect from twigs and branches. They are found from southern China to eastern India and as far south as Indonesia. They have an arboreal lifestyle, which means they spend a lot of time in the trees. They move very easily through the trees and in fact even sleep in them. They are nocturnal despite their sunny name. They eat fruits, berries, roots, insects, small birds, lizards, and rodents. Like most bears, they're omnivores, and their thick, long nails that often exceed 4 inches and their long tongues work as utensils to eat things like the termites and other insects. Due to their shy personality, little is known about their demeanor, but some evidence has revealed that they may be monogamous, which means that they only have one mate at a time. Sows, or mama bears, have 1 or 2 blind cubs that weigh about 11 ounces, and the cubs are only able to move after 2 months, wean by 4, but stay with their mothers 2 or more years. Sun bears are very important to their natural environment and are often indicators of a healthy forest. They disperse seeds, keep down the termite population, and which both in turn help the tree population. They dig for invertebrates, which in turn enhances the forest soil by mixing the poor and rich soils together. And sun bears also create homes for little animals by tearing open tree trunks, so little squirrels can go into those little torn open spots and make nests. Some of the human-caused issues with the bear that are wreaking havoc on the bear population would be deforestation and degradation of habitat, which has dramatically decreased their numbers. Their population has decreased by 30% in the last 30 years, and they were classified as vulnerable in 2007. 75% of their former habitat is gone, as well as several other animals that live in this forest, like the Asian elephant. Plantation development, unsustainable or illegal logging, and human-caused fires have been the main cause of habitat loss from things like palm oil, harvesting, and other cash crops in the area that need large-scale land and large-scale land conversion. And since sun bears live in the trees, deforestation is rapidly causing them to lose their homes. Another threat to them that is human-caused would be commercial hunting. Even though the killing of the bear is illegal, in all of their native countries they are still being hunted for their gallbladders, paws, and bile. Another human-caused threat would be from the pet trade. They're the smallest bear, as mentioned before, which makes their cubs very cute, but also unfortunately appealing for pets at very high demands, which causes for the mother to be killed and the baby to be removed from the wildlife. And when they're kept as pets, they often are in small cages with very poor care. Hippo for sun bears breaks down into deforestation and degradation of the land. Humans would be the invasive species. The pollution from the machinery from deforestation would be decreasing the air quality. The rising human population means more land is needed, thus increasing resources and thus more deforestation. Overharvesting of the forest is what the biggest issue is and is what is eliminating their home. To save the sun bear, what we can do is be smart consumers and not buy any sort of product that has palm oils in it, for example. Save the forest, pick an earth-friendly goal, and donate as there are several conservation lands, facilities, and websites informing and promoting the sun bear survival. Biotechnology or genetic engineering I don't believe would benefit the sun bear. They have 4-inch nails and long tongues that help them adapt to their environment just fine. People just need to stop deforesting, poaching, and keeping these bears as pets in order to save this animal. Human interaction, in my opinion, is the sole reason for this animal's declining population. If we were to move to Mars, I think we would benefit from bringing the sun bear, as they help maintain the forest and oftentimes are an indication of a healthy forest and healthy environment. But since there are no forests on Mars yet, they should stay here to repopulate the forest that has been devastated from human overuse. At the end of the day, I think we need to save the sun bear. They're adorable, and thank you.